Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable passkey, how to set up your security on your OKX, how to enable passkey. So like get started, open your OKX. Once you open your OKX wallet, what you need to do, click on this gear icon. Once you click on it, the next thing is going to take you to the settings. Now click on password, and here you need to enable your passkey. So the authentication method you need to do is using your face ID recognition to password or unlock your wallet. It's very simple. Just do the recognition. You can say I've already set my own. You just have to set your own. You'll be able to enable either your passkey, either your fingerprints, or any other thing. It's very easy. Just follow it because I've already used my own I use my fingerprint recognition. You can use fingerprint recognition. You can use passkey. Just do this. If you don't get anything, click on reset your wallet. You'll be able to set it right. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.